In this video, I'll show you what to do in case you don't have any audio coming out of your Insignia Fire TV. So if it's the case, you're watching your show, nothing is coming out of the speakers or any other devices you have connected. Let's say you have a sound bar. What do we need to do? Every time you have an issue with your TV, the first thing that needs to pop in your mind is to go ahead and disconnect the TV while it's turned on. Okay, so go over here and simply unplug it. This is a fix that fixes many different issues, not only that. So once it's unplugged, we're not done yet. You're gonna find the power button. Mine is over here, maybe yours is on the left side or the right side. Press on it during 15 seconds. We're gonna drain all the remaining energy. Maybe what you're experiencing is a simple bug, and by doing so, we're gonna make sure that, it's something easy, that it's easy to fix. All right, so once 15 seconds passed, release that button. I suggest you wait 2 minutes, okay, just to make sure, and then connect back your TV in your wall outlet. Now power on your TV, not by using the remote control as you probably do usually, but by using the button under the TV. All right, give it a minute to power on, boot on, and hopefully after doing so, everything will work smoothly. You're gonna have audio coming out of your TV. Whoops, I don't think it powered on. Then you press again. Now, if you're still experiencing problems, what I suggest is that you disconnect every device that you have on the back of your TV in these HDMIs, even on the optical cable or the 3.5mm jack over there on the top. Disconnect all your devices. Open your TV show, live TV, anything that has some sound going on. And now what you need to do is to take your remote, press the home button, go all the way towards the right side where the settings are, then go down, select over here display and audio settings, and make sure that TV speakers over here is turned on. Okay, once this is turned on, the speakers are turned on, go back and in this menu go down and under audio output, make sure again that TV speakers are indeed turned on as well over here. Once you're sure that both are turned on, go ahead, launch any show, anything that has some audio, and hopefully it will work and the sound will come out of your TV speakers. If you have connected a sound bar or anything other like a home theater, connect it afterwards, after you make sure that the audio is actually coming out of your Insignia TV speakers. If you're still having problems, I recommend doing a factory reset. This will delete everything, but most of the time it also deletes the problem. So how is it done? Let me show you. So step number 1 is to unplug your TV. Mine is connected over here, so I'll simply pull the plug. All right, next step, okay, is to locate the button that is under the TV, the power button. Maybe yours is on the left side, right side, mine is right in the middle. Usually there is a small sign over here with the power button, logo and input. So since my button is in the middle, what we have to do now is to keep press that button, and at the same time as it's pressed, plug the TV back in the wall, okay? Then do not release the power button until you see Insignia, the logo Insignia appearing on the display. So maybe you need 2 people to do this. I'll try to do it alone just to demonstrate. So now the TV is still unplugged. You see, this is the button. I need to keep it pressed. Okay, and at the same time, plug the TV. Okay, the TV is plugged, and now I'm still keeping pressed the button. Do not release it until you see Insignia. Okay, I see Insignia. Now I can release it. Wait a few seconds. Don't touch anything at this point. Just wait. We need to see a special menu appearing on the screen. Since a Fire TV is basically an Android TV, it's the same as any Android phone. We need to enter in this special menu. So you're going to see many different options here. The one that we need to select is over here, wipe data / factory reset. Now, how do you navigate here? Well, we only have one button on this TV and we need to give some small tap. Don't keep it pressed. Give some small tap until the option I just talked about is highlighted in blue. You see? With small taps, you can change whatever is highlighted here. Once this is highlighted to selected, we need to keep press that power button. Okay, so let me do it. I'm keeping it pressed until it changes to green. Okay, it's green. Now you can release it. Before factory resetting, it will simply ask us if we are sure this is what we want to do, because it cannot be undone. Everything will be wiped out and your TV will be like brand new. So we need to highlight yes in blue. Again, press once on the power button. And once it's highlighted in blue, press that power button until it becomes green. Then release, and in 2 minutes the TV will be factory reset. Now, after your TV is factory reset, the remote control will not be paired with your TV. What you'll have to do is to keep press on the home button during 10 seconds, and then the remote control will be paired with your Insignia TV. If it's not working, okay, keep press the live TV button, this one over here, during 10 seconds, and this will pair the remote control. If you change your mind, by the way, at this step, I don't know why, but let's say you change your mind, you can always select no. Okay, keep press until it turns green. And then select reboot system now. Keep pressed to select it. And the TV will reboot, and this is about it. There won't be any factory reset. Thanks for watching. I hope this was useful. Please leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.